Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert formula on your canvas sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a formula in your canvas sheet mobile, just going to show in this video. To insert the formula on your canvas sheet mobile, you just can use the action button. If you're just clicking the action button here, you just need to type as formula. So if you just type for formula, you have a two option, a magical formula and a formula. Click on the formula option. Now here you have some basic formulas like sum, average, count, minimum, maximum, and all function. You can just choose all functions so you can find other formula. So there is a lot other more formula. Just select the formula you just needed. Just click this, it automatically make here. You can also have some examples of the formula how to use it. It's so simple and so useful. Try this formula on your Canva sheets on your mobile. It's like other sheets or other excels, so it have provide with some examples, so it's so easier to use the formula. Just click on the action button, just type as formula and just use it. And this is how you just insert a formula on your canvas sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also most beautiful day.